Today we are looking at the Oraimo cordless spin scrubber. This is a useful piece of kit. You could deep clean your home, you could clean your bath, your shower, tiles, your hob, cooker, grill, sink and much more. If you want to pick this up for the best price, click the first link in the description box below. Before we start, if you find this video useful, a like would be appreciated. Any questions, ask me in the comment section below, and please do subscribe to watch more reviews. The first thing, we get a quick start guide, instruction booklet in different languages, a Type-C cable to charge the cleaner. It takes around 3.5 hours to charge. It will give you a run time of 60 to 90 minutes depending which mode you're in. It has 2 modes this. We get a dome brush. This is good for cleaning your bathtub or your sink. We get a flat brush. This is good for cleaning your floors or tiles. A narrow brush. This is good for cleaning the corners of your bathtub, your sink, your hob. Holder. That's the head part. All 3 attachments fit on the same way. So if you have a look inside this attachment, that's what it looks like. And that head has 2 cutouts there. You just push it on nice and securely, and to release it you push the buttons, one at the bottom and one at the top, push them down and then pull outwards. So this head part will fit on there. To release it, it says there push. If you were to use the spin scrubber like this, this is 63 centimeters, but you can further your reach with this extension arm included. Let me take that off. So we put this on first. Then we put the head on. So as it is now, it's 98 centimeters. You can further your reach. It's got a lock on and a lock off there. We twist it towards the lock on position. Now this is 114 centimeters. Gives you a good long reach. To collapse it, we just twist it towards the unlock position. This also has a Type-C charging port at the back. That's the on-off button, and then we have L and H, that's the speed. If you use it in low speed, you get 380 RPM. If you use it in high speed, you get 430 RPM. Just turn it on. That's low speed. I'll push it again. That's high speed. So that'll be good for stubborn dirt. Even though this has some charge in it, I would recommend it to fully charge it before your first use. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to charge it fully and then we will get on with some cleaning. So this hob has not been cleaned for around 2 weeks. Just to show you this demonstration, I hope you give a like to this video for that. I've put down some Flash kitchen spray. I have also put down some Fairy. I'm using the large flat brush for this, as you can see. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to use it in the low mode first. Just quickly show you a little blue light at the back there, letting you know there's charge in it. Maybe I should have used a small one because it's going around. Just get some paper. I also need to rinse that brush, but I'll get some paper first. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the brush. With this large head on, it's getting everywhere. So I'll just go and put the small brush on and then I'll carry on cleaning with that. This is a lot better. So I'm not having to put a lot of pressure on the cleaner. It's basically doing the work for me. I'm just guiding it. Put it in high mode. That is coming along nicely. I'm going to spray some more flash and leave it on for a few minutes. Apologies if this is turning into one of the boring clean with me videos. Well, some people like them, each their own. The only reason this video is taking long, my hob was very filthy as you seen at the start of the video. Hopefully you'll get a better idea whether this product is for you or it isn't. So that, as you can see, I have cleaned my hob. This has really good battery life. So far, we have not needed to charge the battery and we have been using this for more than 2 weeks. I mean, not every day, of course, it's whenever we need cleaning, but we've cleaned our bath, our tiles, shower screen. Having said that, we have been using the lower mode. That's because we keep on top of our cleaning, apart from the hob, because I wanted to show you how well this cleans, so I left that dirty for around 2 weeks. The brushes are really easy to clean. All I did was put some fairy on, some lukewarm water, give the brush a good shake, and it's ready to go again. They're both ready to go again. It's really good. It has 2 modes. If you do need that extra oomph, you've got that there as well. One other thing I forgot to mention, I did use fairy and some water on my hob, but I had my hob turned off from the mains. Please do not mix water and electric together. It is very dangerous. Now that I have cleaned the hob, I can turn it back on again. This is a fantastic piece of kit. If you want to deep clean your home, you cannot go wrong with a product like this. If you want to pick this up, I will leave a link in the description box below. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, give it a like and please do subscribe to watch more reviews. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.